Alright, this is the blizzard of 2013. This is the right before it. I don't know, let's see if we can zoom in on the neighbor's black truck. There you go. We getting some snow. Snow pretty good. So I wonder if we can get a picture. So I just thought I'd show you some. It's snowing. There's a sister going out for lunch. Driving in a blizzard. They told them hurry up, go out before you can't go out no more. This is Nancy Clemens. I'll put a link to her page on the bottom if I remember.